Hi guys, today I am going to explain you about in network theory subject the module 3. The chapter name is transient behavior and initial condition. So actually technically tricky chapter. Okay, so in this chapter some basic concept will comes. So in this network contains active elements and passive elements. In passive elements, inductor and capacitor. Okay, so inductor and capacitor, so these two elements store the energy in the form of electromagnetic field and electrostatic field, right, in the form of field. Okay, so transient behavior occurs in these elements. So that's why we have to, so transient behavior that will vary with time. So it is transient behavior is so not constant all the time. Okay, so that's why we have to remember those concepts. So those concepts comes in the problems also. So that's it. Okay, so now we'll start with the, in this class you will get the clear concept about the, so what is transient behavior concept. Okay, so and the basic concept about this chapter. Okay, so let's begin the class. So here I will consider one system. Okay, if any system, if you give the input to the some system, so definitely you get some output. So here I am giving input x of t, where x of t is input or excitation. For this input, so you get the output y of t, so that is output or response. Okay, so here the y of t, that is output, the response. So this, the output response contains two parts. Okay, so I will take it as ytr of t plus yss of t. So what it means, so ytr and yss, here ytr of t is transient response. So next yss of t, that is steady state response. Okay, so here transient response, that is vary with time. Okay, here steady state response is not, it doesn't vary with time. Okay, here steady means the constant value, so you'll get some constant value. Okay, so here t represent time. Okay, so you can give, so time t equals to the, so 0 or 1 second, 2 second, up to infinity. The infinity is the last one. So for this value, so you'll get some constant value. Okay, that constant value is called as steady state response. Okay, here applying yss of t, steady state response, when you get this, applying limits t tends to infinity, so yss of t equals to the yss of infinity. This is the final value response. Okay, so and also the constant value. So here steady state response doesn't vary with time. Okay, so let's see an example. Here considering on the example 1, here the output response, that is equals to the, so 5 plus 2 e power minus 3t. Okay, so here yss of t, steady state response. So when you get the steady state response by applying t equals to the infinity. Okay, so yss of infinity. So here for the, in this equation, so t equals to the infinity, then e power minus infinity. Okay, e power minus infinity value is 0, right? So you know that e power plus infinity equals to the infinity, and e power minus infinity, that is equals to the 0, right? Okay, here after applying the t equals to the infinity, here e power minus infinity, okay, this value becomes 0. Okay, so 0 with anything, that is equals to 0. So finally what you get? So 5 plus 0 equals to the 5. Okay, so transient response y tr of t, that is equals to the total response minus steady state response, right? So here total response is 5 plus 2 e power minus 3t minus 5. Here 5 get cancelled. So what you get? So transient response, that is equals to the 2 e power minus 3t. Okay, here I have already told that the transient response, that is vary with time. Here equation contains t term. Okay, so steady state response, this is the constant value. Here you get constant value. Okay, so finally the total response contains two parts. One, steady state response, another one is transient response, right? So one more example. Here y of t, that is equals to the 5 e power minus 2t. Okay, so here let's check transient response of this. So y ss of infinity, we are applying infinity here. Okay, e power minus infinity equals to 0. So steady state response for this output is 0. Okay, here constant term is not there. Okay, so transient response, that is equals to the total response, right? Here steady state response is 0. Okay, constant term is not there. Okay, 5 e power minus 2t. Okay, so next, okay, next take some key points. Here I have written all the points. But the first point is steady state response is referred as permanent response because steady state response doesn't vary with time. Okay, so transient response is referred as temporary response because so it will vary with time. Okay, transient response exists due to the storing element in the circuit, right? If in case inductor capacitor is there in the network, then transient behavior is there. Okay, so transient response doesn't exist for resistive network. So because resistor allows sudden change in the voltage and current, and also resistor doesn't consist any storing property, right? So next, the next concept is standard charging. The equation for this standard charging is given by the y of t, that is equals to the y naught e power minus t divided by tau. Here t represents time, tau is time constant. So I will make table for different values of y of t with respect to t. So t, the y of t. Here I will vary the t values. Initially I will give 0. Okay. So I will give 0 here. So for 0 in main equation, so t equals to 0. So what happens? So complete e power minus 0, right? E power minus 0 or e power plus 0. So that is equals to the 1, right? Okay. So now, so this term becomes 1 into anything. So you get anything value, that is y naught, right? So after I will put t equals to the tau. Okay, so here tau get cancelled. So t equals to tau, then tau get cancelled. So what you get? So y not e power minus 1. Okay, so that is equals to the, so e power minus 1 value is 0.368 y naught. So after that, t equals to the 5 tau. In 5 tau, so what happens? So y naught 5 tau get cancelled, e power minus 5 left. Okay, so that is equals to the e power minus 5 value is 0.0067 y naught, right? Okay, next. So final value, that is equals to the t equals to the infinity. So e power minus infinity, okay, that is equals to the 0. You know this. Okay, 0 with anything, so you get 0. Okay, so here I will draw the graph for this table. In y-axis, so I will take y of t, in x-axis time t. Okay, so here at t equals to 0, at t equals to 0, so y of t value is y naught. Okay, next at t equals to infinity, so what you get? 0. Here I mark this point as t equals to infinity. Here observe this. So any element initially contains some value. Here the element contains value y naught value. So that value gradually decreases with respect to time, and finally it reaches to the 0 at t equals to infinity. Okay, so here I will mark another point at tau. At t equals to tau, so what you get? 0.368 y naught. Right. So next, at t equals to 5 tau, (0.0067 y naught). Here, so observe this 5 tau value at t equals to 5 tau. So what you get value is, that value is approximately 0, 0.0067. It is approximately 0. At ideally at t equals to infinity, so y of t value becomes 0. Okay, so this time 5 tau time is called as settling time. Settling time in network theory. The settling time is different in different chapter, different subject actually. So in network theory, 5 tau is the settling time. So in ideally t equals to infinity. T equals to infinity is the settling time. Okay. So here tau is the time constant, right? So what is the definition of for the time constant? Here, so definition, in case of standard discharging, in case of standard discharging equation, the time at which the response will be 36.8% or e power minus 1 or 1 divided by E times of its initial value. Okay, is referred as time constant. Okay, here at t equals to tau, so what you get 0.368 y naught, right? At t equals to tau, so here y of t value is 0.368 y naught. Here what you get response is 36.8% of its initial value. So this time is referred as time constant. Okay. Next concept is standard charging. So the equation for this standard charging is given by the y of t. So that is equals to the y naught. So 1 minus e power minus t divided by tau. Okay. Here tau is time constant, right? So again I will make one table for y of t with respect to time t. Here initially, so I will give 0 value, t equals to 0. Okay. So in main equation, if t equals to 0, e power 0, e power minus 0, e power minus 0 value is 1. So 1 minus 1 value is 0. Okay. So then 0 with y naught, 0 into y naught, that is y of t value becomes 0. When t equals to 0, y of t value becomes 0. Okay. So after, so I will give t equals to tau. Okay. If e power, so I will write it completely. So y of t, so 1 minus e power tau divided by tau, right? Okay, here the y naught 1 minus e power minus 1. So you know the value of e power minus 1, the 1 minus 0.368, right? Okay, so 1 minus 0.368 value is the finally the y of t value is 0.632 y naught. Okay. So I will give, so settling time, that is 5 tau. Here y naught 1 minus e power minus 5. Okay. So final value for this is 0.99 y naught. So this value is approximately equals to the 0.99 value is 1 into y naught value. Okay. The ideal settling time, that is infinity, t equals to infinity. So what happens here? So y naught 1 minus e power minus infinity. E power minus infinity value is 0. So then, so 1 minus 0, 0. Okay, so 1 into y naught. So I will draw the graph for this table. Here again, y-axis y of t, x-axis t. Here the initially at t equals to 0, at t equals to 0, so y of t value is 0, right? Okay, so at t equals to infinity, the y of t value is y naught. At t equals to infinity. So y of t value becomes y naught. Okay, this is steady state response. Okay, at t equals to tau. So y of t value is 0.632 y naught. Okay, at 5 tau, that value is 0.99 y naught. Okay, here the time constant definition. Okay, in case of standard charging, the at t equals to tau, so response will be 0.632 y naught. Here at this time, okay, so you will get 63.2% of its initial value. This time is referred as time constant. Okay, time constant in standard charging. So in case of standard charging equation, the time at which the response will be 63.2% of its final value, right? Here this is final value is referred as time constant. I hope you are getting all the concept. Thank you guys.